Do you know that the bankers are sometimes, not most of the times, but sometimes are the very, very bad person to talk with. And that's why I hate visiting banks. A day ago, I visited a bank, and as per my grandmother's instructions, I was supposed to take her Visa card. This is it, a new issued debit Visa card. So I went to the bank, and the banker who was supposed to give that Visa card to me, was seemed a little bit different with his own voice. At the very first attempt, I did skip that part, and I jumped into the questionnaire and said, "Alright, sir, you just did your work well. Now tell me, how can I activate this?" And he first looked at me in a very weird way. I know this is such an obvious thing about the activation of this card, but I didn't know that. I issued several times the RuPay debit card, but about this card, I was new in that. So I again asked with a gentle and more calm voice, "Tell me about the steps, sir, about this activation." And he said something along the lines that I really heard from. He said, "You look good, great, and decent plus well educated also. How is this possible that you don't know about such an obvious thing?" And that was too obvious. And he said all of this in a really brutal and weird tone. And thank God I wasn't old me. Thank God I wasn't what I used to be. So I didn't reply anything back, and I chose to remain calm and silent at my own end. And guess what happened shortly afterward? He answered to my question. He answered well to my question. With a smile, I chose to left that place, and this is where the story ends. Now, let's jump into the idea. And the idea is so simple and starts in this way. Think about the situation in which you have found yourself incredibly well educated, despite you had to face a kind of humiliation, a kind of discomfort that you could not bear it. Just because you could not resist that discomfort, you did all wrong. You forgot how old that person was whom you talking to, and you went for a reply in a same tone or in a bad tone that was imposed on you about a minute ago by that individual. In my case, that individual was the banker. In your case, you have to think about it. Who was that person that have showed discourtesy on you at some point of reference in past? And replying back is the only option you had that you could possibly go for. I think about the quotation of the Mahatma Gandhi that we can choose to change the situation around us in a gentle way also. Advantages of being highly intellect and highly educated, we all know that. Now do hear the drawbacks. Ego goes up. And this is the part that I have most experienced when I was growing. I figured that out. I changed something, and that change, that subtle shift, making me more calm, more resilient at my own end, not to mention happy also. So remember, next time when you have found yourself incredibly well educated, use that energy and you might come across the odd pitching voice that you hate. Use that energy and trying to be more resilient, more calm at your own end. Now the question arises, how can you do that? If you go on internet, you will find 100 ways. The one and most I love about is the silence. This is it. And you must have heard the proverb, sometimes silence is the best answer that you could possibly go for. So keep this message next time, and yes, keep this quotation also, that we can choose to situation around us in a gentle or calm way also. Be polite, be calm, be silent at your own end, and you will be great. This is it guys. Thank you so much for showing up, and you have not subscribed this channel. If so do subscribe, and I will see you in the next.